Hello everyone, welcome back with a series of video lectures on diagnostic parasitology. In this lecture, I'll discuss tests related to feces or stool for the diagnosis of parasitism in animal as well as in human. The title of today's video lecture is Mastering Feces or Stool Analysis for the Diagnosis of Parasitism. This video lecture comprises 12 parts or sections. In part 1 to 3, I'll discuss everything related to fecal sample collection, preservation, and shipment. Then I will discuss gross examination of it and techniques or tests used in routine feces or stool examination. In part 4 to 8, I will demonstrate how to perform routine qualitative techniques or tests in the lab such as direct smear, sedimentation, and flotation. In part 9, I will answer some of the interesting frequently asked questions or FAQ and troubleshooting of things related to qualitative tests. In part 10, I will show how to count eggs or cysts or oocysts using the modified McMaster test for the determination of the degree of infection or intensity of infection. Finally, in part 11 and 12 of this lecture series, fecal culture and Wehrmann apparatus techniques or the test for the isolation and identification of larvae in the diagnosis of parasitism will be discussed. Please check the playlist of this channel to get more video lecture on parasitic diseases of animals. Keep an eye on this channel to get more video lecture on the topics of different subjects of veterinary medicine. So without further ado, let's start our series of video lecture on mastering feces or stool analysis for the diagnosis of parasitism.